Kenya Airways gave us its interim report a couple of days ago in the Standard and also in the Nation. It's now, if you look at shareholders' funds, they're negative by 84 billion shillings. Now, the position here, okay, is that Kenya Airways can't compete with Emirates, Qatar, etc., because it's got to buy its fuel at a much higher cost than what Qatar, Emirates, etc. will pay Etihad. So, you see, we've got to understand that everything that we do in Kenya has a knock-on effect. The biggest sugar company in Kenya used to produce 60% of the sugar that we actually consumed in Kenya was destroyed by a small group of people. And, you know, Yida Kemoli, who was actually from Kakamega, he said if he had a bullet, he would have that bullet in the head of the former head of Mumias. But you see, again, nothing is done. You pay off people and nothing is done. So, you know, but every man, woman and child in Kenya's got to change. We're all thieves. I was in Rwanda once and I was with two people and they'd left their phones on the table when they went in the hotel to go and get their food. I stood beside the table and I said, look guys, you know, you're leaving your phones on the table. Do you want to get them stolen? I said, oh, no, this is not Kenya. This is Rwanda. So, you know, we've got to change our national psyche. We've got to change it, because if we don't,